Hello, Professor. This is my presentation for topic 3, assignment. Now I share my screen to explain my codes. And I share my screen here. Okay, this is my code. For task 1, it is to identify the probability of winning the lottery if it's discrete or continuous. In this case, it's discrete because it's the number of groups of 6 numbers is selected from 1 to 51, and that's a discrete value. Now, given the group of 6 numbers that were selected from 1 to 51, let's consider this formula with the combination here. This is the formula. And using that formula with this code gives a combination of 51 items, 6 chosen will be this value here. And the winning probability will be here. That will be the winning probability using this code that I have here. For task 2, the probability of Alexandra winning the lottery at least one time when she buys one ticket every 24 hours of 365 days for 80 years. This is achieved by taking the probability of her winning at least once and minus that value from 1, then raising that to the power of 365 by 80. That will give this value here. And that probability was found to be this value that I have here. And for the amount of money that Alexandra would spend, that would be $146,000. For task 3, I have Amir, who decided to increase his chance of winning by organizing N of his friends to buy one ticket each for this week's drawing. Now, to calculate that, the value of at least one winner among the group is greater than or equal to epsilon, I use the for loop to increase the amount of friends while the condition is met using the desired level of epsilon for these values here. And this is the code, and these are the values that I got, which is, let's say for epsilon 0.5, the value of N min is 12,483,207. For task 4, here, okay, for task 3, this is a graph and it shows the increase here goes exponentially. For task 4, if Amir gathers enough friends to win with probability of 0.5, using that strategy above, first, this Python code, first is to check for duplicates, and with the 12 million friends, create the function for a unique ticket, and the probability of winning is 12,483,207, and it will be the unique ticket will be 0.6931, and the probability increases when the number of ticket purchase increases. That's for task 4. Task 5. For task 5, what I have here is the State Lottery Commission introduces a consolation prize and this is my code here, to find that if exactly 3 of 6 numbers match any 3 of the states, a smaller prize is won. And the probability of winning the consolation prize would be to find the probability of selecting 3 of 6 numbers in the game and multiply it by the chances of choosing 3 of the totals, subtracting by the amount of numbers selected, then divided that by the total combination as shown here. And to get the expected value, I use like different values. I assume like 500, 5,000. Let's say here for 5,000. When this is calculated, it would give an expected value of $78.79. And this appears to be the price would likely to increase the sales, as it would appear to be more attractive. So thank you. That's my presentation. The song will back.